Hello, good morning friend. Today I am going to explain the oxides of group 15 elements, what are their properties and what are their types that we have to explain in this video lecture. So let us see the oxides of group 15 element. So group 15 elements, they are having two types of oxidation state. Group, if you are going group 15 elements, so group 15 elements gives two types of oxide. First one is the trioxide. Okay, and then next one is pentaoxide. And when you are going trioxide, here oxidation state is +3 and here is oxidation state is +5. So either you can say here the oxygen is O3 type, no, E2O3 type, and here is E2O5 type. So this is the types of two types of oxide. It is formed by the all the elements of group 15. They form this type of E2O3 types and E2O5 types of oxides. Now the if you see the tabular way, if you want to see the tabular way, because we know that is the there are so many elements are there. So if you go one by one, if you see that is nitrogen, you check the nitrogen. So for nitrogen, okay, and then we are having phosphorus, then we are having arsenic, then you are having antimony, and then lastly we are having bismuth. So when you are going trioxide, that is trioxide. So what would be the formula for trioxide of all? So N2O3, this is the trioxide, N2O3, this is P2O3, and then AS2O3, and here is Sb2O3, and lastly Bi2O3, bismuth trioxide. Now if you go for the pentaoxide, so see what is about the pentaoxide, what is the formula? Here is what pentaoxide. So if you see the pentaoxide, so here is a N2O5, pentaoxide here N2O5, this is the P2O5, okay, and what other is the As2O5, here is As2O5, and next one is Sb2O5, and here is Bi2O5. This is the oxide, pentaoxide. Now what we have to do for this all the types of oxide, we have to study what are the properties. That is, properties is important in all these cases, that what is their acidic nature, which they are acidic nature or they are basic nature, that we have to study in this video lecture. So if you want to go for the acidic nature of these oxide, we know that is the that is the oxides of metals are they are in the basic nature. This is the for the lower classes. Okay, we have learned this the very easy things. What is there? Firstly the note you go, that is you write down note, the oxides of metals, metals are basic in nature. This is the concept, basic in nature, because when you are dissolving in water they give hydroxide, and this is the note number 1. And if you are going note number 2, so what is the oxides of non-metal? Oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. Okay, acidic in nature. This is the two major concept for this, that is for the acidic oxide and for the basic oxides. Now what we have to understand, that is one more note you write down, that is the note number 3. That is oxides of higher oxidation state, states of elements are more acidic. Okay, more acidic. So suppose for if you are comparing the same element, suppose you are comparing N2O5, it will be more acidic than N2O3. Or if you are seeing P2O5 is more acidic than P2O3, or if you are considering S2O5 is more acidic than S2O3. So what they are saying, because here oxidation state +5, here is +3, +5, plus 3, this is also plus 5 and plus 3. So what the third is saying, that is oxides of, when you are comparing the same elements, so oxides of, that is higher oxidation state will be more, acidic compared to the lower oxidation state. Now you go and compare the, nature of the oxides of the, for trioxide. So here I am writing, that is order of acidic strength of trioxides of group 15, so if you are going trioxides of group 15, so you see that is N2O5, then you go for the P2O5, N trioxide N2O3, P2O3, then it will come AS2O3, then it will come, next one will be Sb2O3, and finally it will come Bi2O3. So what they are saying, this is the decreasing order of acidic strength. What is meaning of this? Why we are writing like that? This is nitrogen, phosphorus or non-metal, so they are predominantly, that is acids. Okay, and when you are going Bi2O3, it is predominantly, this is base. Why this is base? Because Bi is what is? Bi is the metal. That is why metal oxide is the basic in nature, and these two are highly strong acid. Why strong acid? Because they are the oxides of, non-metal, and they are having the size is also smaller, so that they are the acidic, and while the other is basic. Now let us go for the pentoxide. So what would be the order of the, pentoxide? That is same order is there. Okay, same order is there for pentoxide. Okay, so pentoxide is also same order is there. Suppose we are having P2O5, then this will be stronger than, N2O5. N2O5 is stronger than P2O5, and then what is AS2O5 is stronger than Sb2O5, which is stronger than Bi2O5. Now this what is there? This is the decreasing order of acidic strength. 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 These things, dear friends, how can you understand these things? I said that in the previous concept also, that is the, what is the concept I said? That is the oxide of non-metal are acidic. So these are the non-metal. So their oxides are highly acidic. And what is last element is, this is the metal. So this oxide is highly basic. And what are these are metallites? So their oxides are amphoteric. Now the third concept they are saying, the oxides of same elements. If you are going to compare the oxides of same element, they are saying, that is, comparing oxides of same element. Comparing oxides of same element. So what you will find if you are comparing the oxides of same element? Suppose you are comparing N2O5 and N2O3. So concept is there, that is oxides of higher oxidation state. Higher oxidation state oxides is more acidic than lower oxidation state. So this is plus 5 and this is plus 3. So this is this is highly acidic. Suppose if you are there, N2O is there, okay, or NO2 is there, so this is plus 4. So that is for the so many acid. If you are comparing, suppose how to compare N2O5, this is plus 5, so highly acidic. Then NO2, this is plus 4, then acidic. Then N2O3, this is the what is coming plus 3, this order. And that is, if you are comparing, that is N2O, okay, N2O. So here is how much is coming, plus 1. So that is, this is the decreasing order of acidic strength. Decreasing order of acidic strength. So what I am means to say, that is higher oxidation state oxides are most acidic compared to lower oxidation state oxides. So this is all about the oxides of group 15 family and their oxidation state. Thank you so much for watching, friends.